Real estate term of the day, involuntarily inactive license. This happens when a real estate agent does not do the required education or pay for the licensing fee. This happens every 2 years. Every 2 years, an agent needs to do what's known as continuing education. Now, do not mistake this for your post license, also known as your first renewal. If you don't do those, you will lose your real estate license. But after you get past your post license and your initial renewal, then every 2 years, you're going to do your continuing education. Failure to do your continuing education, this is what happens. Your license goes involuntarily inactive status, which means you cannot practice real estate, but you will be given the opportunity to get your continuing education, pay a late fee, and go ahead and get your license active again. For more tips and tricks, please visit my website. And if you're requiring a one-on-one tutoring session, pick a time and date. I'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you, and stay tuned for more.